Okay, anyways, basically what you're going to have to do is lift up. These little tabs pop out, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, setting this down. Still recording though. Okay, so comes out. Everything out of the trunk. There it is right there, goes on the side. I'm missing one, but that's alright, I'll get another one. And, uh-oh, where are we at? Where's the, oops, there we go. Okay, flashback on, and so, it's right here. So, we basically open this up. Should be able to do this one-handed. Let's see. Ah, there we go. Okay, and so, there is no cabin filter whatsoever. Man, this thing was just straight up dirty. Okay. Alright, let's see here. Okay, well, that's another thing I'm gonna have to go to the wrecking yard for. 'Cause they don't have one. Alright, I'll have to go up there tomorrow. Ain't that something? Let's see, is there anything in there that can be seen? Just a bunch of leaves in the motor, in the housing. But definitely nothing. That's the fan motor. Okay. Found a few little surprises. Okay, so tomorrow we're going to go up to the wrecking yard. We'll have to continue this later because we're going to need that in order to put these filters in. It's a little bracket. It slides from side to side and basically it just sit there and rest on top of the motor. Because when I turned on the air conditioner, the fan, there was no, it's just like dirt. Just straight up dirt coming out. And now I know why. Because there's leaves and stuff inside the fan motor box. So something to look for too on these cars if you're going to go out there and look at them. You know, they're going to be missing some things. But if you know where to go get them, you can get it. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching.